Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday. I just looked at it. Hold on, guys. Yeah, today is Monday, November the 18th. I am out here in the Roswell, Georgia area. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Avers. Check this out, guys. I just looked at their last work order. I was out here March 15th of this year, which is about 9 months ago, and they went with the screen and recoat with the UV cure. So Miss Avers called me maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, said, Courtney, did you ever get that small light to do the stairs? I said, yes, I did. She said, I want to get the UV done on my stairs because the floors that you did are holding up and still looking so good. We want to get it done to the stairs. So that's my first. So it's a small project. So that's what I'm going to be doing today is UV curing stairs. Then we'll have another small project to do later on in Decatur. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. All right, guys, so I am in beautiful Roswell, Georgia. Again, November 18th. So what I'm going to be doing today is using my small UV lamp and also RadCoat. This is the same finish I use on her floors. But guys, let me show you around, man. So again, we was out here March 15th, and Miss Avers, I think they have 3 big dogs. So these are the stairs I'm going to be doing today. But we did all of this, and I'm going to find that video and tag it in the description. But look at it, guys. Look how beautiful the floors are still looking 9 months later. Oh wow, look at that, guys. So I remember Christian them actually came out and moved the furniture, and this was a one-day process. So we did, and she was really happy about this back here. So I mean, still looking good. So we did all of this, and I actually had one of my ride-alongs with me also in the masters. But yeah, guys. Miss Avers? No, I'm over here. Okay. I'm just showing YouTube that we did the UV cure for you 9 months ago. Yes. And how well it's still holding up. Also, how many dogs do you guys have again?
2.
2 dogs. And how much does the biggest one weigh?
62 pounds.
62 pounds. Okay, great. So yep, that RadCoat is doing really, really good. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is start screening down the stairs. And then
I weigh a lot more than the dog, and I have damage to you.
What was that?
I weigh a lot more than the dog. No. I wear golf shoes through here all the time.
Oh, you wear golf shoes to the house? Oh, I'm about to say, man. And also, too, if I remember, did Christian them move the furniture for you guys?
Yes.
Yes, awesome.
They
yep.
were awesome.
So they did a great job.
Fabulous.
Yep,
yes.
Those are my go-to guys.
Yep.
All right, well, I'm going to get started. And yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let this dry for about 2 hours, and then I'll come back and UV cure. All right, guys, I am about to UV cure the stairs. And this is how I do this one. So this is a handheld one, great for stairs because I didn't have this 9 months ago. So basically what I do, you guys see me using my big one. And I also got sunglasses on too. Definitely want to use sunglasses when you're using the small one because I did use it one time without sunglasses and I burnt my eyes. And I'm just going to take this. And just do a nice pace, about 2 to 3 inches from the floor. Don't want to get too close. And that's a pattern. And just like the big machine, instantly cure. And if you get too close, you can tell because I can kind of hear it popping. Almost sounds like Rice Krispie treats. All right. And her stairs are now UV cured. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish doing this and I'm gonna head over to my next project in Decatur, which is just 2 rooms and a hallway. He said he's not looking for, and I went and saw the floors. He said, Courtney, I'm not looking for perfection, but just want to make the floors look better before I start putting furniture in. All right, guys. Mr. Avers is gonna move the car. I almost forgot to let you guys see the stairs now. And again, I was exactly at this home March 15th of this year, 9 months. Oh, Miss, oh, you're fine.
Dogs are out. Careful.
Oh, you're fine. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hey, puppies.
Yeah. They were good with you. Yeah.
All right.
Say hi, Courtney.
Hey, puppies.
Dash.
Dash.
Cash.
Cash.
Oh,
Hey,
and
Cash.
see who's my barker with the long nails.
Yep.
Yeah.
You want to walk up the stairs now? You got the stairs.
can
There
do
you
it.
go. Look at that. On the stairs.
Yeah, look at you.
And what's his name?
That's Dixie.
Dixie. All right, there we
And
go.
you're the troublemaker. It isn't her with
Yeah.
the big nails. It's this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys.
Doesn't that look better? Yeah. See, thanks, Courtney.